Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your antenna any insurance. So if you have any insurance on antenna and if you want to cancel, then how you can cancel. So this is the method. Like they have two methods. If you want to cancel your any kind of plan or coverage, then you need to contact with the customer support team on this number, or you can send an email, or you can send them an email. So in the mail address, you need to compose and mail. In the mail section, you need to inform each and every details about your policy. Like as you can see on your screen, you need to type like message antenna insurance policy. You want to cancel your antenna insurance policy, and you need to mention each and every information. So I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can go over there and you can copy paste, and you just need to simply change your name, your policy number, your date of birth and your information over here. And once you complete, you can send all the details on this mail address. Okay, once they will receive your mail, and they will send you a confirmation email of, you can say, cancellation. Okay, so this is the method, but make sure you don't forget to ask you confirmation mail or email for when they cancel your you can say insurance. Okay, so this is the method, like mail method, and you can say contact method. Okay, and when you dial this number, they will transfer your call according to your need, according to your department. You can ask anything related to your, you can say, insurance policy. Okay, so if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.